Gavumenti eriko ebyuma ebikozesebwa mu by'obujjanjabi ebiweza obukadde bw'ezakuno 2 bwewadde ab'Akabatonda Health Center 3, Bwesumbu Health Center 3, Buhuhira Health Center 3 nga byonna biri mu Busongolwa North Constituency. Ebyuma bino kuliko minzaani, obutanda obutambuza abalwadde, ebitanda abalwadde ku beebaka, trays kozesebwa mu by'obujjanjabi, microscopes n'ebintu ebirala. Mu kuwaayo ebyuma bino kinoganyiziddwa nti ebyuma byajjira mu mitendera 2 era nga bibalirirwamu obukadde bw'ezakuno 2 okusinziira kwa kuli eddwaliro erya Bwesumbu Health Center 3 omwami Bashesha Robert.
We thank the government of Uganda for having equipped the facility with the human resource. The health workers are here, medicines are here, equipment are here. So we appeal to the people of Bwesumbu to utilize the services, to utilize the items, to utilize the facility that has been set up in their sub-county.
Omuwendo gw'abantu abafa kibadde kizibu ky'amaanyi nnyo mu ggombolola lyabwe, naye ebyuma bye bafunye basuubira nti bijja kubayambako okwongera obujjanjabi abantu abafa bakendeere.
Facility was a health center too. We could not even offer the services as we are offering right now of a level of health center 3. So before it was only OPD. But today it is now an integrated health service delivery. It is both OPD and inpatient. Lab services are all there, and the human resources are all there. So we are here targeting, aiming at reducing mortality rate in the sub-county.
Maternal mortality will reduce because there will be skilled attendants by mothers being delivered by qualified midwives or health workers. And in so doing, the cases that were so rampant, you will have maternal deaths, and this will be no more.
Okusinziira ku ssentebe wa district Kasese omwami Muhindi Elifaz, gavumenti yakuno yakozesezza obutitimbe obuwezi obukadde 2 kyokka ng'era waliwo n'ensimbi endala zibatunuulidde okukozesa okuzimba ebisolo by'abasawo.
We have not stopped at that. We have already lobbied the government because they had identified that we put a staff quarter. We are now going to construct a staff quarter. We already have over 100 million. Now that we have 25 million, which was meant to renovate the OPD, the previous OPD that was there, we are going to add it on that and to make sure we construct a twin staff house for where the staff will be residing.
Ombaka w'omukulembeze w'eggwanga Tule Kasese Lieutenant Joe Lusimbi asabye abasawo okuwa obuweereza obugwanidde eri abalwadde okusobola okulaba nga basitula ebyobulamu.
My humble request to the health workers to serve these people to their expectations, because they have been lacking something. But now drugs are there, everything is there, and they are even posted more staffs to enforce the facility. So we are expecting excellent services.
Oluvannyuma lw'okuwaayo ebyuma bino, omubaka w'omukulembeze w'eggwanga Kasese Lieutenant Joe Lusimbi aguddewo maternity ward ku health center okuli ey'Akabatonda n'eya Buhuhira. Byatumusime Gerald, Salt TV, Omunnyo.